If you're not investing your time and your money in YouTube, you're missing out. One of the smartest business decisions I made was investing in YouTube. And I'm going to share my screen today and show you exactly how and why. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of AutomationLinks, and I've been doing marketing for a long time, over 10 years, over 2,500 brands. Not going to bore you with that. You can always learn more here. But in my videos, I share my screen. I show you exactly how to invest your time and your money in YouTube to get the best leads. In fact, just last month, I made 20 videos and closed over $24,000 in sales, all from YouTube. YouTube is where your ideal customers are. They're listening, they're learning, and they're wanting more information about something you're an expert at. So what are you an expert at, and what can you teach on YouTube? And if you want the full system on exactly what I show you today, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send it right over. All right, so let's not wait any longer. Let's dive in. So when we look at my YouTube channel here, one of my best performing videos is the long form videos. People come in and they learn from me. And when somebody learns from you and you're showing them how to do something, you're teaching them, you're providing value, they're more likely to reach out. Now, uploading all these videos over the last month, what this has led to is over 89 new opportunities into our pipeline and $25,000 in sales specifically from YouTube. Now, how can you do that? The ultimate goal is to provide helpful, valuable content that is helping your ideal customer. That's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm providing helpful content to show you exactly how to do YouTube, invest your time and your money in YouTube to get the best results. Now, what the biggest mistake most people make is they think they need to run ads to try to get a call to action and get somebody to pay them. But YouTube is for learning, education, value, relationships. So what you want to do is use YouTube ads to help follow up, retarget, and continue showing your videos. When somebody's ready to work with you, they know where to sign up. All right, so this is what you should do. Step number one. What I recommend is creating a playlist, something that you can make videos around the same topic over and over. As you can see, this playlist right here, I talk about YouTube every single week. I'm sharing a video about YouTube and how you can get started, how you can set up playlists, how you can split test things. Now, when somebody wants to learn about YouTube, they're going to see not only one of my videos, but they're going to see the rest. Just like this video, you're going to start seeing more videos about YouTube and helpful, valuable content. From there, what we want to do is start making a theme. You want to be memorable. You want people to remember you. So you can see all my thumbnails are pretty similar, and this is the same profile picture I use on all my channels. This is super important. That way people don't think you're a different business or a different channel every time. They start to recognize you and remember you. Think about famous TV commercials you've seen in the past. You remember exactly who that brand is because they use the same branding and the same style on every commercial, and they continue following up. They don't tell you to buy right now. They just remind you of themselves. So now, next thing you want to do is be consistent. You can see right here that I'm consistent. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I upload a video. You want to be consistent to your ideal audience so they know when to come back. Now, once you start making these videos, the goal is to provide a ton of education. And you can see that's some of the best videos that do best for me is I'm telling them how to fix their X-ad account, telling them how to run ads, telling them how to follow up, how to remarket, how to retarget, how to use a CRM. These are all things that somebody can type into Google and learn, and Google will actually show these videos. And as a quick tip, ChatGPT is starting to show these videos as well. You can watch one of my last videos I just made about that, ranking your YouTube videos at the top of ChatGPT. All right, so now that people have come into your ecosystem, they start seeing your organic traffic. That's where you want to head over to Google Ads, and you can set up a Google Ads video. And what I recommend is not doing a call to action. So you can see right here, a lot of people run this ad here that says skip ad. Nobody wants to see that. What people want to see is a video that's answering their question based on what they search for. So what I want to do is show up when somebody's typing about wasting money on ads. If somebody says, hey, I want help with my ads, I want to help do more retargeting ads, I want my video to show up, and then I want to provide a helpful video for them. So right here I'm saying, hey, we're going to help you set up your YouTube ads, but this is exactly how you can do it if you don't want to pay us, if you just want to do it on your own. And then all they have to do is click watch now. So that's the goal. You don't want them to go click on the website, because if they've never heard of you, they don't like you, and they don't trust you yet, they're not buying or signing up for anything. So you want to be the one providing value and education by them watching your video, seeing your ad, seeing that as a TV commercial over and over, and getting them back. Last but not least is what we want to do is add some strategic links in your videos. So if you look down here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a few links. So in that first sentence here, I'm going to add my Go High Level affiliate link where we actually set up the whole Go High Level for people. And what that does is that shows above the fold. So as I'm talking about something of value, I'm giving them something of value in the link, and I'm referencing that in the video. And then what you want to do is scroll down, and what you want to come back and do is leave a pinned comment. So what you can do is go leave a comment, and what I do is I ask you to sign up for my newsletter. You'll find that below this video here if you want to learn more. All you have to do is click on the 3 dots and you can pin it over here on the right. Alright, so what are you waiting for? It's time for you to start investing your time and your money on YouTube if you want results like this. Now, results don't happen overnight, but if you set up the YouTube ads properly, it'll really help you grow faster. Because usually when you start a YouTube channel, you need to get 8, 10, 12 videos out there to start building the algorithm and start building the reach and also the keywords. So you can do a couple things. You can rank your videos with SEO, go embed that video in your blog, get it on Medium, LinkedIn, and Reddit, and then you can run some low-cost YouTube ads to really start trying to get more subscribers. Last month, I gained over 700 subscribers using just $450 in ad spend. So it's really low cost to build up your channel, show your videos to your ICP. Like I said, if you want the full system, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send it over. And if this video brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn more about this YouTube stuff, that YouTube playlist I referenced, you can check it out here. Would love to hear more about your business. Comment your business URL down below. I'll go check it out. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.